Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Heidi from House of Heidi Miami, and for today's video I'm going to be talking about the little black dress, the LBD, good old-fashioned LBD. Nothing new, but I think I found the perfect little black dress for the fall. I think you're gonna love it. But before we do that, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's get right to the video. So here's the dress that I'm going to be styling in this video, and it's this beautiful dress from DKNY. It's almost like an accordion dress, but it's a very beautiful, just very simple dress. And one of the reasons why I fell in love with this dress is because of the length. It's a perfect length. That's one of the mistakes I've done in the past when I've purchased dresses like this, is that they've been too short, but this one is perfect. So if you were to add a belt, it would still be the perfect length. It's not too short on you. And honestly, the sky is the limit with this dress. I know it's a very simple dress, but that's exactly what I like about it, because a dress like this can be styled to death. And honestly, I had to stop myself when I was doing this video because I didn't want to be redundant and continue styling it over and over again. But really, it's one of the most versatile pieces that you can add to your wardrobe. And now for the fall, it's perfect because you can kind of show it off a little bit, play around with your complementary pieces. And for that reason, I think this is just a very beautiful dress, perfect for the fall. I got this dress in a size 4. I would say it's true to size, fits perfectly. Another thing I love about this dress is how comfortable it is. Nothing better than looking polished and elegant or classy, but at the same time being comfortable. That's a huge thing for me. If you followed me from the beginning, you'll hear me use this word over and over again, because I am a person that likes to dress up, but I like to be comfortable. I never like to compromise that. I really believe if you have a piece of clothing that is comfortable, you're gonna reach for it more, and therefore you're gonna use it more. So absolutely love this. But let's get right to the styling. I did a little lookbook for you with a couple of different outfits. You can kind of see the versatility of this particular dress. I will link the dress and all the complementary pieces that are still available, all the pieces that I used to style this. But yeah, let's get right to the outfits. that's all for my little lookbook. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you like videos like this, do let me know in the comments down below. I would love to do more videos like this that are short and concise and to the point. And hopefully I was able to give you a little bit of an outfit inspo. And of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you join my small family, and also like, comment, and share. I would appreciate any support that I can get so that I can continue doing these videos. And I will see everyone next time. Bye.